Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying power and connections. Make sure the AirPods Max have at least 20% charge. This prevents interrupted resets. Once done, disconnect them from your iPhone and any other Bluetooth devices so the headphones can forget pairings cleanly. Next, keep a lightning cable handy. You will use it only if a firmware restore is needed. Now that prerequisites are set, prepare to press and hold the right controls. This is the first actionable step toward a full reset. You press and hold the digital crown and noise control button together. Maintain steady pressure for roughly 15 seconds. This forces the internal manager to clear settings. Watch the LED, first amber, then white, because that sequence confirms the reset command registered. Once you see the white flash, release both buttons and allow the AirPods Max to reboot. They will act like new from a pairing perspective. Make sure to wait for the complete restart before attempting to pair again. You now repair the AirPods Max through Bluetooth on your device. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and select the headphones when they appear. If pairing fails, try a second full reset. Sometimes residual profiles stick, or connect to a Mac with Apple Configurator for a firmware restore. Make sure to update to the latest firmware after pairing. That prevents recurring issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if the LED never flashes correctly, charge above 50% and retry, because low power.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.